So we'll see how to solve this DIT problem, 8-point problem. So first we'll see the solution. So here they have given capital N as 8. So before going to the butterfly structure, so what we have to do is we have to first find out the Twiddle factors. So since it's a 8 point, always we'll be having 4 Twiddle factors, that is W8 power 0, W8 power 1, W8 power 2 and W8 power 3. So these are the Twiddle factors we need to find out to solve our problem. So W8 power 0 in the sense, we know Twiddle factor formula is e power minus j 2 pi by capital N. So it is nothing but e power minus j 2 pi by N is it's 8 points, so it is 8 into, so here they have given it as 0, k is 0. So e power 0, anything power 0 is 1. So our Twiddle factor W8 power 0 is equal to 1. So next one is we have to find out W8 power 1. So which is equal to e power again minus j 2 pi, since it's a 8 point, N is 8 into, so this one is k is 1. So these two will get cancelled, so we will be getting 4. So e power minus j pi by 4. E power minus j pi by 4. So this we know it is cos pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 plus j sin pi by 4. So we know cos pi by 4 is 0.707 and j sin pi by 4. So it is sin pi by 4 is again it is minus j 0.707. Similarly, we have to find out for W8 power 2 and W8 power 3. So if you find out, you will be getting e power W8 power 2 as minus j we will get. You can find it out using the same method what I have used here. And W8 power 3 is again it is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So these Twiddle factors first we should know for solving the problem. Okay, so it is a butterfly structure, so I will tell you how to do it. So keep your paper horizontally, so it will be very much useful for you to compute 8 point. So keep your book horizontally like this. So first we know the general flow graph. So this is a flow graph. So if this is A, this is B, this is for DIT FFT, and this is your W n power k. This will be A plus B into W n power k. That is, A is this value, B is this value, W n power k is a Twiddle factor. Whereas here this is A minus B into W n power k. So in both these we will be multiplying your Twiddle factors. So first draw 8 horizontal lines. So draw horizontal lines like this. So you take the input. So input I have told you to take in bit reversal order. So input you have to take in bit reversal order. So we know input they have given as x of n, they have given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is a normal order. So we have to, so this corresponds to x of 0th value. This corresponds to x of 7th value. So in bit reversal order, the first value corresponds to x of 0. So x of 0 we know it is 1. Second value is x of 4. X of what is x of 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4, 0, 4, 3, 2, 7. So x of 3. Next one is x of, sorry, 0, 2 value, 0, x of 2 value. So this is 0th value, 1 value, 2 value, so it is 3. Next one is x of 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it corresponds to 2. Then x of 1. Next one is x of 5 value, x of 3 value, x of 7 value. So x of 1 is 2, x of 5 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again it is 4, sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 3. This one is 3, then third value 0, 1, 2, 3. It is 4, again it is 1. So we have taken the inputs. So 1, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is the inputs we have taken in bit reversal order. So we'll see stage 1. So this we'll take it as stage 1. So for n is equal to 8. For n is equal to 8. So this 8 can, I have told it is radix 2. So we know it is 2 power. To find out 8, it is 2 power m. What is m value? So 2 power 3 is equal to 8. We know 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So here m is 3. M is equal to 3. So we will be getting 3 stages. 3 stages. So first we will say stage 1. S1 is the stage 1. For stage 1, so we will be taking 2, 2. So this is DIT FFT. We are decimating into smaller sequences and finally we are going to add. So in the stage 1, we are going to take 2, 2 inputs and we have to find it out. So first we will take these 2 inputs. So here only we will be getting the Twiddle factor W n power k. So in the first stage everything is W 8 power 0. So first we will see this value. So what is our Twiddle factor formula? This is A, this is B. This will be A plus B into W n power k, B into W n power k. So what is A here? A is 1 plus B is what? B is 4 into W n power k, that is W 8 power 0. So what is our W 8 power 0? W 8 power 0 is 1. So what is 1 plus 4 into 1? That is 5. Similarly, this is 1 A minus B is 4 into W 8 power k. So 1 minus 4 will be equal to minus 3. So this is our stage 1 answer. Similarly, we have to go for the second one. So here in the first stage we are taking 2 inputs. So this is also W 8 power 0. This will be A is 3 plus B is 2 into W 8 power 0 is 1. So 3 plus 2 is 5. This will be 3 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 1. So next one is similarly here. This is W 8 power 0. First stage 2 plus 3 into 1, that is 5. It will be 2 minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 1. So next stage, this is again W 8 power 0. This will be 4 plus 1 into 1, that is 5. This will be 4 minus 1 into 1, that is 3. So we have got the outputs for stage 1. So 5 minus 3, 5, 1, 5 minus 1, 5, 3 are the outputs of stage 1. So we'll go for the next stage. In stage 2, so we are going to take 4 inputs. So this is one input, this is one input, this is another input. So we are going to take 4 inputs together. So the first so you can see the first input should be connected to the third one. So like this. The second should be connected to fourth one. So first stage 2 inputs we have taken. The second stage 4 inputs at a time we are taking. So first one should be connected to third one. Second one should be connected to fourth one. Similarly, here this is the same butterfly structure. Hope you know the flow graph of the butterfly structure. So we have taken this and this. So this is our first this x is a first thing. Okay, this x is a first thing. So this is the input, and this is a, this is b. So what is formula? A plus b into wn power k. In stage 2 we have two twiddle factors. One is w8 power 0 and another one is w8 power 2. In stage 2 we will be getting only two twiddle factors, w8 power 0 and w8 power 2. So in this case it is a is 5 and b is also 5 plus 5, w8 into w8 power 0. w8 power 0 we already know it is 1. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So correspondingly we will take this one, the same x. So it is a minus b into w8 power 0, it is 0. So next we will take this x, second one and the fourth one. In this x, so here a is minus 3 plus b is what? 1 plus b is 1 into twiddle factor is w8 power 2. So now we know w8 power 2 actually it is minus j. So we know it is minus j, so it is minus j. So what is the answer? Minus 3 minus j is the answer for this one. Okay. So here similarly we will say take the same x. So here this is the input minus 3 minus a minus b, so it is minus 1 into twiddle factor is minus j, so it will be minus 3 plus j. So the same is applicable for this also. So first we will take this first one, we will be connecting with the third one. This one is x, this one is w8 power 0. So this will be 5 plus 5 into twiddle factor is 1, 10. This will be 5 minus 5 into 1, that will be 0. Next we will take this one, third one, and this one. So here twiddle factor is w8 power 2, which is nothing but minus j. So when we take this input, it is a plus b, so minus 1 plus b is 3 into minus j. So the answer is minus 1 minus 3j. This one is minus 1 minus 3 into minus j, minus 1 plus 3j. So now we have got the outputs for stage 2. That is 10 minus 3 minus j, 0 minus 3 plus j, 10 1 minus 3j, 0 minus 1 plus 3j. So this is the output of stage 2. Now coming to stage 3. So this is your stage 3. In stage 1 we have taken two inputs and we have used the same flow graph and found out. In stage 2 we have taken 4 inputs. So breaking into smaller sequences, and then we are going to add the entire sequence to get the total sequence. Now what we are doing is, this is the outputs. Now the first one should be, this is the first output, should be connected to the fifth one. We are taking all the 8 inputs now together. So we will put a x like this. So like this. So now here this is stage 3, w8 power 0. Here input is, so now we can understand the input is 10 here. Here the input is 10. So you can see here 10. So what is this output? A plus b. So 10 plus 10, since it's a twiddle factor is 1, w8 power 0 it is 1. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Similarly here what is the output? In this case it is 10 minus 10 into 1, that is equal to 0. So for the next one what we are doing is, we are going to take the second one and we are going to add with the sixth one. So this is sixth one. We will take this x. So here this will be w8 power 1. w8 power 1 we know it is 0.707 into 0.707 minus j 0.707. w8 power 1 is actually, this is the value 7 minus j 0.707. So here what is this? It is a plus b. What is a? A is minus 3 minus j plus what is b? B is minus 1 minus 3j into total factor value is 0.707 minus j 0.707. So you multiply and find out the final answer. We'll write the final answer in the final step. Similarly, this is actually minus 3 minus j. We will get a 1 minus here. Minus 1 minus 3j into 0.707 minus j 0.707. Similarly, we'll go for this one, this and this. Here the total factor is W8 power 2, which is known as minus j. So here the answer is, so what is the corresponding a? It is 0, and here also the input is 0. So everything will become 0 here. Similarly, here also it will become 0. Okay, next we will go for the last one. So it is W8 power 3. W8 power 3, again we know it is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So here the input is minus 3 plus j, it is minus 1 plus 3j. The same thing we will write here. Minus 3 plus j plus what is b? Minus 1 plus 3j into total factor. Total factor value you take right here, since there is no place I have written like this. Similarly here it is minus 3 plus j minus 1 plus 3j into total factor value is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So you will get a final answer. You have to write like this. So x of k actually we are finding out, that is our fast Fourier transform or DFT. So this is the output. You can see here the output. The output you should take in the normal order. So you should not reverse the order. Only input we have to reverse and take. Output you have to write in the normal order. What is the first value? First output is 20. So 20 comma. What is the next one? If you multiply everything, you will be getting this answer. You can check it. Minus 5.828 minus j 2.414. And what is the next value? It is 0. And what is the next value? If you multiply all these things, you will be getting one answer. So you can check this whether you are getting the same answer. 172 minus j 0.414. So and similarly, what is the next one? It is 0. What is the next one? Multiply, you will get minus 0.172 minus j 0.414, comma, again 0, comma, minus 5 point, the last one, if you multiply you will be getting minus 5.828 plus j 2.414. So this is your final answer. So this is your DIT FFT. So for if you want still more clear, you refer the LCS I have uploaded. It will be appearing in the last one, lecture 1, 2, 3, 4. You will go through that. You will get a clear view.